Oh, uwi na kami. Okay, bye-bye.
You guys went to Victoria?
Yeah,
You guys had fun?
yeah.
That's good.
We have a beautiful over. See?
How many days you guys are going?
Oh, 4 days.
4 days. Did you guys went to Nanaimo too? Or what?
Nanaimo, we go to Comox.
Comox Valley?
Yeah.
You guys saw Comox Valley?
Yes,
The dolphins?
yeah.
Oh.
We go
But
to...
it's not enough. 4 days is not enough. It's up.
So you guys went to Tofino?
No, we didn't.
No,
Oh, you guys missed that place. That's very beautiful.
that's beautiful also.
Very beautiful.
We go to Butchart Garden. Where we go? Malahata, Skywalk.
We spent our half day
Mm.
at the legislature waiting for the sunset, so we can be able to see the lights, the lighting.
Yeah, Tofino, if you guys go there, Tofino, there is a place called Zero Point. Then there is no land after that until Japan. All water.
Oh,
Yeah. Lots of people are going over there for surfing.
Oh,
to feel.
Yeah. It's a little bit far from Nanaimo. It's like 2-hour drive.
but no need to ride any
The ferry? No.
ferry, no?
No. From Nanaimo, you have to take a bus or a taxi to go.
Yeah, we rent a car in there.
Uber. Yeah. Or maybe you guys can have a rental car. there.
Yeah, rent a car.
For these kind of tours, rental car is very cheap and flexible. Very good.
Yeah, the car that we rent is how much that one? 600
Yes.
for 5 days?
4 days.
4 days?
It's good.
Yeah.
Just put the gas and go wherever you wanna.
So this is only electric. You don't have an option if you run out of energy.
No.
It's the
Well,
engine?
It is telling you to charge me.
Oh.
Everything. See, it goes
So how many kilometers?
300 kilometer more. It goes.
Oh, really?
So this one is electric?
Yeah, it's fully
Electric.
Oh.
EV means electric.
Oh.
I thought the latest today is they use
So
the
if
engine and
if
electric.
running, he charge, huh?
No. For don't customer daram but sang me zan.
Okay, bye.
Ma'am airport.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, so it goes complete like full charge. It goes 600 kilometers.
600 oh, okay.
How many hours do you charge it? Like
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Oh, very fast.
Fast charge on fast charger 30 minutes. Yeah. It is cheaper than gas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the price, how much the price is this?
The price is it's $3,000.
33?
80.
80? 80? Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, it's expensive. It's not cheap.
80,000.
Yeah.
But they said if your car is electric, if long and the battery is damaged, it's not good also because more expensive the battery than the car.
pag-charge kasi ng battery, hindi pa yung titipush.
Kasi meron kami nakilala sa church, si Josh.
Ah.
Pinunta niya na kasi napapansin niya na may diferensya na kasi mas mahal pa yung battery nila sa sakyan. Kaya pinunta niya na bago pa masira.
Hindi yung kay Josh naman, kwan yun. Battery
Ay,
at saka
mix
kwan,
gas.
engine.
Yung hybrid.
Hybrid yun.
Pero ganun pa rin, may battery pa rin siya.
cherry picking already here.
Yeah. Yeah, cherry, blueberry. Where are you guys from?
Edmonton.
Edmonton.
Yes. And some of our friends is from Yellowknife,
Yellowknife. Okay.
North Territory.
Edmonton is a nice place too.
Yes.
The weather is good now, yeah.
Yeah. What is this?
These are blueberries.
Oh, blueberries.
Yan yung hina-harvest ni Kuya John.
Ha?
Yan yung hina-harvest ni Kuya John daw.
Oh.
Blueberry.
Marami na rin mga kung ano ng mga pinasukan nun, naging driver sa airport. Yung mga park to fly. Yung naging trabaho din niya sa Edmonton eh. Nung naiwan siya, ay nung nagsara na yung company namin, naging driver ng gano'n. Taga-park ng mga sasakyan sa airport.
Ang ganda sa airport yung umaga ng gabi. Kasi yung kasama ko sa airport na si Kamugo. Iba talaga yun.
Yeah. Nung ano eh, grabe yung traffic, no?
Malaki pa yung kaltas sa akin last time. Hindi siya fix. Kaya nagka-traffic.
Ay, ganun.
Dagdag siya. Dagdag siya like 20 or 23. Than the regular price.
Ganun. Pwede,
Instead of 60 something, nag-85 something.
pwede pala nila gawin yan.
Oo, kasi nagtagal siya.
Oo, pagka metro, siyempre.
Nakasorted na.
Hindi pala fix.
Hindi fix. Kasi yung time, for example, yung fix 60
Over.
20 minutes. Naglakas ka lang doon sa So, calculated siya. 60 divided by 21 divided by 60.
Ay, ay.
Yung dalawa,
Wala eh.
napakita kayo doon sa
Oh, wala eh, nakatago sila eh.
Ikaw lang di nakita eh.
Nakatago.
Pakita mo na yan.
Oh, yun.
Kayo.
Oh.